Hi friends, so in this video I am show you earn how to earn 0.35 per click, 0.35 cents per click. Okay, so this is my earning. Okay, I am refresh this page. So okay, so I am paid method use. Okay, so this is traffic source. I am show this traffic source. Okay, so Socialadbar, this is traffic source, and I am already login and I am refresh this page and I am show you this is, and I am my campaign section, and this is my campaign. Okay, so I am promote this offer and this offer. Okay, this offer. Okay, so simple promote this copy link and go to Socialadbar. I am link description. Okay, so and create campaign. I am edit this link. This is edit campaign name and description URL. This is affiliate link. Okay, paste and scroll down. This is make money niche. Okay, and yeah, and top tier one country. Okay, Australia, Canada, New Zealand, United Kingdom, United States. Okay, and CPC bid 0.15 cents. Okay, so this is CPC, and you earn 0.35 cent. Okay, so profitable. Okay, so and I am show you report section and conversion. Okay, this is show you. So I am show you this is 30 cent, but 30 cent lead per lead. I am show you. Okay, 0.008 cents in this offer. I am using free traffic. Okay, I am using free traffic, and so this is you. I am link in description and join affiliate profit 3.0. Okay, so this is page and scroll down, and this is create account. Okay, so I am already member and I am login this, and this video watch. Okay, this video watch step by step training. Step 1, and this is step 1. This is activate this membership. Okay, join basic membership and premium membership. And step 2, absence network connect. Okay, this is join absence network, and your absence affiliate ID. This is add now. Okay, this is affiliate ID. This is affiliate ID. Okay, so this is put and add now. Okay, and PPC, set up PPC, activate PPC and PPL income. Okay, so this is offer is activate now. Okay, click here activate. One time activate $37. Okay, so this is a solo ml PPC offer, earn up to 30 cent per click, and TPPC offer 0.00 per click. Okay, 8 cents. Okay, so this is and free traffic using. Okay, I am funnel section, and this is link PPC funnel link, and okay, this is free traffic use, and paid traffic, this is link used. Okay, and this is traffic use. I am the lead lab. Okay, so I am create this landing page, and I am beg you. Save lead. I am show you lead and post credit ads. This is free post credit ad, free post ad. This is an total visitor. Okay, so I am promote my ads and pro ads. I am promote this offer and this is my ad. Okay, and my view performance traffic and my traffic total. This is okay, so I am give you description link and check this and join now this affiliate profit club and promote this offer in lead lab and this search Socialadbar. I am give you description link. Okay, so check now. So thank you guys, thank you so much.